Hello, dear students. How are you? Have you ever thought why in any map there is no real structure of 3D figure like a mountain, like a river, like a plateau? So, is that possible to draw this 3D figure on 2D map? No, it is very difficult to draw in map the 3D structure. And we very much know our earth is full of diverse landscape such as plateau, such as mountain, hills, plain and deeper area. So many we have. So for this it is easily draw on a map, 3D structure map. We have contour lines like this, contour lines. There are so many structure we are going to discuss further, but in this lecture, so you easily understand why we can use contour line. So what is contour line? Contour lines are the imaginary lines on the map which joins the same height above or below sea level. So here is a one contour like this a structure. We have one contour. In this contour line there is a similar height, vertical height of line meeting in a same point. 0 meet 0, 20 meets 20, like that. 40 meets 40, 60 meets 60, 80 meets 100 meets and 120 meets 120, like that. So each of the similar height lines meet on a same line. This is what? This is contour lines. And each two contour lines having same distance and difference. In the Indian contour lines map, almost 20 meters difference. You quite often then note, you find it. So this is contour line, and the difference between two vertical heights of two contour lines is called contour interval. Okay, I hope this is clear. So what is we are going to discuss is slope on a contour line, because it is the matter of height and depth. So somehow there is a slope. Two types of slope quite often the note we find here. One is a steep slope and second is gentle slope. Gentle slope. So steep slope and gentle slope. In this contour lines, one thing you should observe here, lesser the distance of two contour lines, slope will be steeper, and the higher the distance of the contour lines, there is a difference in this contour line. So the higher the distance of contour lines, gentle the slope. Okay. So here where we have slope, contour interval and contour lines. I hope this is clear. So we are going to discuss further different type of contour lines on the topographical map, so that if you go through the topographical map, you can easily find that Oh, this contour line shows this sort of a structure. Oh, it is plateau. How we can recognize it? This is the further we have to deal it. Gentle in the upper and steep in the lower. In the contour, it is called convex. Okay, like convex mirror. This is and concave slope. We have what? The opposite of convex. That means steep the upper part and gentle the lower part. Steep the upper part and gentle the lower part. Like that, you will go through this. Gentle the upper part and steep in the lower part. And the lower part is steep and the lower part is steep. What is gradient? Gradient means vertical interval, ratio between vertical interval and horizontal equivalent is what gradient, and we can find the slope like that vertical and horizontal ratio. Now hills, plateau, valley, ridge and escarpment like a structure. If in the topographical sheet you find like this structure, that means this structure, this is what? This is hills. In the very middle we have what? Very small contour line here, and from here to we go far from this circle, it is bigger. Okay, so like this we have hill and tabletop structure like that. We have tabletop structure like that. In this contour lines we have what? In the middle there is a gap like that. There is a gap and land is formed like that. Here we can find slope here, and on the top we have what? We have tabletop structure. So this is plateau. Now we have ridge. So what is the structure of ridge? The structure of ridge like that. Two hills structure in a same, like a mountain range, we have like this structure. This structure like this. If you find in a topographical sheet like this structure, we have what? Ridge. Okay. And last but not the least, escarpment. Escarpment means a steep, a sharp slope and gentle deep slope. In a deep there is a gentle slope, and on the scarp we have what? There is the difference between plateau and escarpment. Don't be confused. Okay? This is not tabletop structure. This is like this.